afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the course Introduction to Anthropology. My name is Vandeputte, and I will be your mentor during this free online course that Save the Cultural Heritage is offering. I hope that you will enjoy anthropology as much as I do. Let me first briefly introduce myself, and then I will tell you a little bit more about the course. So my name is Leslie. I'm French, as you might have heard from my accent. I have a master's degree in social anthropology from La Sorbonne University, and I have a PhD in social anthropology from the Advanced School of Social Sciences in Paris. I did most of my research in the South Pacific, more specifically in a region called Melanesia. I did my PhD on Bislama, which is the national language of Vanuatu. I studied the relationship between the national language and the process of identifying through the nation. So the relationship between language and nation. I then got a position at the University of New Caledonia in Nouméa, the capital, where I stayed for 4 years. I also conducted some research there. More recently, I moved to the Middle East. I got a position at the American University in the Emirates, where I teach anthropology. I also conducted and started 2 research projects here. One on the cultural transmission between generations, and another one on gender, and more specifically on Emirati women married to non-Emirati men. So this is me. In this course, I will tell you a little bit more about the fieldworks I've done, and I will use examples to enlighten you and to try to explain some of the notions that we'll discuss. So what you will learn in this course? We will have different topics that we will study. First, we will start talking about culture, because culture is one of the main concepts in social anthropology. Then we will talk about methodology and how do anthropologists carry out research. Then we will talk about race and racism. Then we'll talk about ethnicity and nationality. We'll have a chapter on family, kinship, and marriage. And we will also discuss gender. This course is an introduction. However, it will give you a good understanding of what anthropology is. You will have different assessments to do to complete the course. And I will also ask you questions every time we will meet, just to make sure that you fully understood concepts that we discussed. I'm very much looking forward to meeting all of you. And once again, welcome to this course.